Hey YouTube, welcome back. We are loaded up. We got the camper loaded up. We're getting ready to head to Nashville. There comes Mama.
Hi.
There's the babies. We're headed to Nashville for 5 days.
5 days.
All right. See you on the road. Of course, I'm going through Chattanooga. Well, hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing something a little different. Now this don't look like our camping spot, but we are in Nashville. We are downtown. We are actually at the Nashville Library doing some genealogy. So I'll try to get some shots in here. I don't know if they're going to let us or not. Don't know if they're going to let me use my videoing. But we are, right now I'm in the parking deck at the library. So we'll try to go in and see what we can get. We are going in. Had to get Teresa some glasses. So as you can see, we're in the parking deck, so this is the walkway down. And we'll get up here. I'll see if we can do some video if they'll let us. Public library. Okay, huh? This is inside the library. How's it going? Well, hey guys, it's Tuesday. We're out. Just got back from town, been to the archives, the National Library. Y'all hung up. Taking the dogs out for a walk. Trying out this new camera. It's Tuesday. Didn't get to video much yesterday because we were at the library, and it come one heck of a storm last night, didn't it?
It did.
So we're just out walking around the campground. We are at Nashville RV Resort and Cabins. We're on the Music City Drive. We're close to the Grand Ole Opry. And so we're just walking around looking at the campground and We're up here at the general store, but it's already closed for the day. It's 5:30. We're getting ready to go out to eat here in a little bit. But let's turn you around here. This is the store, general store. I don't know if you can see inside. It's dark. We got a picnic area around here. It's supposed to have an ice cream parlor. I guess it's around there at the bottom. Rock and roll ice cream. Got a little deck and a little, looks like a, oh, maybe a 9-hole putt-putt golf. Some playthings for the kids. Recreation center, swimming pool. I'm assuming the pool is open. It's still cold weather. I mean, it's right now it's 75 degrees, 78 degrees.
Pool is closed.
Pool is closed? Okay. They must be getting it ready then with the cover off of it. But then this goes down to the ice cream. Must be where you get all your packages. Yeah, that's the little ice cream room. So, the places to sit. Yeah, pretty nice campground. A little quiet. So,
It's so wet. Hey.
what? Yeah, are they wet? Oh.
She's wet from where she went through every water puddle.
Every mud puddle out there. Let her down. So what do you think about it here?
It's busy.
It's busy. Yeah, we're right on the interstate. Camping World right next to us. There's 3 campgrounds through here. This used to be the Yogi Bear, I think Jellystone Yogi Bear campground. And I guess they sold out. And we got a Camping World right beside us. Beside that is Two Rivers Campground, and beside that is the Nashville KOA. I think it's KOA East. Sites are a little tight. It's the only thing about it, they're a little bit close. All pull-through sites, 30 and 50 amp, all full hookups, got cabins. Seems to be a pretty nice place. So, would I come back again? Probably not. Probably should have went to the KOA. So, all right. What?
That's it?
That's it. Trying to get her used to talking on camera like I'm trying to get used to it. So,
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet. All right, we're gonna go get something to eat here in a little bit, and we'll check back in with you. A little more view of the campgrounds. It's got these cabins you can rent. Looks like it's got a playhouse over there. What's that, a bouncy house?
I think that's what it is.
Got some bouncy pads that they haven't got out yet. Looks like you can take pictures. Another cabin, playground up there. Huh?
Give me my dog.
I got it.
So we get ahead of you.
Now you're going right back down where the dogs are.
No, they were over there.
Alright, we just ate it. Caney Fork. And it is real good.
Yeah, is everybody good?
So now we're gonna walk down to, we just ate at Caney Fork Southern Food and Wild Game, and had the catfish and gator bites, and now we're gonna walk a little bit and walk down here to Cooter's place, see if it's open. I think we can walk down here to it.
No. That's
So,
what I'm saying. Dawn, we can't walk.
Real nice evening today. Yeah. Maybe we can't. This is Music Valley Drive. There's the Opry, the Inn in Opryland, Opry Backstage Grill. That goes to Gaylord Opryland, to the Convention Center.
It's time for us all to get
And
together
motel.
and dinner one night
Parking area there. And today's Tuesday. Wednesday we go to Opryland, or Grand Ole Opry, excuse me. Well, hey guys, just wanted to check in. Today is Wednesday, and didn't do much today. Just kind of hung around the camper. I done some school work this morning. We went out and went to Cooter's and to Willie Nelson's store, and just kind of hanging out now. We got some bad storms coming in. I'm trying to get some supper cooked. I got some chicken on the griddle and some asparagus, and we got some bad storms coming in tonight. Actually, right now they've got us under a tornado watch, so we're just kind of seeing how it's going. We got out and walked around the park a little bit, or campground a little bit today, and went up to the store and checked it out. And just wanted to kind of check in, let you know tomorrow we're going to get up in the morning and catch a trolley. Trolley comes here and picks you up. We're going to take us downtown. We're going to go see the Ryman Auditorium and the Country Music Hall of Fame, and then come back. And then tomorrow night we got the Grand Ole Opry, and so we'll kind of let you know what's going on. I'll turn you around here where you can kind of see. Kind of look and see what it's doing. See the dark clouds coming in. I guess you can hear the wind blowing. And we've got some supper on the griddle there, trying to get some stuff cooked so I can get it put back up. You can see the wind. The sky is kind of turning gray a little bit, so. But alright, so I'll check back in with you later. I'll kind of let you know what the storm's doing. having some fun.
When you dance like that, you got that little tattoo. They'll pick you on your back. Yeah, if you wanna impress me, baby, here's my plan. All you gotta do is pull up and
Well, hey guys, welcome back. It is Thursday, right? I forget what day it is. We are downtown Nashville at the Country Music Hall of Fame. Back in behind us. We're actually on the, I guess it's the Walk of Fame.
Oh, yeah, like.
Yeah. Hank Williams Sr.
Little Richard.
Let's go all the way down. I don't think I guess they just go right down through here. And then across the way is the Country Music Hall of Fame and Museum. We just went to it, but they wouldn't let you video in it. We took some pictures. We got a lot of pictures we'll add. We're just downtown. We're gonna walk Kid Rock. We're gonna walk down the strip and find some place to eat some lunch. Auditorium, Bill Monroe.
Did you get Laura?
Huh?